Hello guys and welcome back to the mood. Today we are the 5th of April 2021 and I wanted to show you my analysis of Dent that I did here on the same channel on the 26th of March, where I told you guys Dent was actually a very interesting coin to buy. So we did a bit of research together and there I go, and that's what I drew for the most probable scenario. I told you there were two scenarios on Dent, the main, right? That was the lowest scenario and that was the highest scenario, but it was never coming down. This coin is a beast right now. And then guys, you can see actually what happened on Dent, and we can say it's not bad at all. If you executed that trade right here around 0.10 and selling it right now around 0.019, you will be in a nice profit. We can actually calculate your price range from here to there, and it would be a 91% profit, guys. Not bad at all, not bad at all. So if you like this content, please consider subscribing right now to The Mood and smashing, obliterating the like button. This is a new channel. I really need your support to grow, and these likes are helping me trending on YouTube. And also you got my Twitter handle right here. I post a lot of my trades over YouTube, and for like most recently the AVAX trade, and that's it. So this is gonna be a very special video. I'm gonna tell you something really special and amazing about Bitcoin right now that actually nobody told you yet. So please stay with me right now and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get into the content. So first of all, let's have a quick look at my current trades right now. The red line is my entry. We got a nice trade on Matic that is gonna bounce up. That's my plan here. So maybe I'm gonna yellow it so you guys can see it better. That's my plan here. That's the main scenario. I was thinking we would in fact range here, but at some point we're gonna bounce up. That's my trade on AVAX that is in profit right now, and I scaled it down, but I made a big buy right here. Price might go as high as $45 at some point, but I think I'm gonna sell it around these areas, right? I'm gonna keep you updated. If you subscribe to the channel, you will know, and if you subscribe to my Twitter handle, you will also know it there when I sell it. I will let you know, guys. These are all my open trades. I have a trade opened on Bitcoin that is actually a little bit in red, but I don't mind. This is gonna be totally alright. I don't care of the little movements up and downs. What matters is my target. And I opened another trade on BNB because I want to enjoy this beautiful ride right here. And I'm telling you guys over my Twitter that probably BNB is gonna trade over $500 very soon. So now let's get to the real point of that video, and this is gonna be a very general video about Bitcoin. I hope it's gonna stay on YouTube for a while, and even if you came across that video, even if you're far away from the 5th of April 2021, keep this video in your favorite, because this is very important what we are going to do here. I want to know precisely, and you want to know too, when this bull market is gonna end, because that's the most important thing you have to know. And at the moment that everybody is speculating on a Bitcoin around $1 million, about a Bitcoin around maybe $5 million, that all the institutions are getting in, and that there's gonna be a crazy year, I'm telling you, still be careful, because I remember 2017, even John McAfee told that he would eat his private part if Bitcoin wasn't reaching $1 million around the same time period as now, and he didn't do it because Bitcoin didn't reach $1 million. And I remember in 2017 everybody was speculating crazy about Bitcoin price. So we are going through that phase again, and now we can see people speculating about a Bitcoin above $5 million and stuff like that. So it could happen if there is something massive, if there is a big news or something definitely crushing the current economy. But right now I think we have to be more conservative. We have to decide in a more conservative way at what point we're gonna start freaking out because right now we are still in that bull market and we want to ride it together to the very end. So it's very important to do that analysis. How I come to that result with my same main analysis technique that I use for everything, and that results like 80% of the time in something quite accurate, I would say. So we got here our historical chart of Bitcoin that has data since 2010, since the creation of Bitcoin, and most of the time I trade with the 4-hour time chart, and guys, we are going to go on the weekly chart. That is actually giving us the whole current Bitcoin story from actually 2nd of August 2010 to nowadays 5 of April 2021. And please, this is a very important video. If you came across this video randomly, please subscribe to the channel. If you just discovered the channel, please share this video with all your crypto friends. My trading method is going to give you a very interesting result. Please don't be disappointed with it, because it's probably not going to be $1 million, guys. I have to tell you. Remember, what matters is to know exactly when the bull market will end. You don't want to get caught up there, believe me. So we got our weekly chart with all our dates, and what we want as usual is to find our resistance line. And we are going to start here, right here on the 28th October 2013, very far away. We've got this resistance line here. That is important. It's important, guys. I would say don't be scared. We are not crashing. We are not crashing to $8,000. But if things go really bad, that would be our protective line. It's not every day I analyze a chart with such a difference of amounts, but believe me, it's very interesting. So we have here this resistance line here that is actually, we have to get to the bottom right here. Perfect. Now we have to extend it. And when we extend it, we are going to extend it the most further we can. Perfect. What stands out on this chart? First of all, we can see during the last bull market, right, that started around, let's say, the April 2017. From April 2017 to December to Christmas 2017. That was our bull market. And what we can see here on this chart is we got so many bearish divergence during that time period. And that's something that tells us that during all that, how many months? April? During the 8 biggest months of the bull market, the RSI printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearish divergence each month during this euphoria phase. That's what we call a full euphoria with a mania at the end. And right now, yes, we are super above our resistance line here, right? And yes, we are nearly crossing this MACD. So you could be scared and thinking that would be the end and we are going to retrace to $40,000. Actually, that could still happen. But I'm gonna give you the most probable scenario, right? That's the worst scenario. But fundamentals are insane. We all know that the world is going mad with the COVID crisis. People are not putting their money into gold right now. So we got many factors, fundamental factors, economical factors, that means that this divergence here and this probable crossing here doesn't mean anything right now. And now let's see if we have another resistance line here. We also have this one that can act as a protective resistance in case of a drop. Now this would totally protect us around 49,000. All right. And we can also try the monthly chart and see what happens on the monthly. A very interesting fact that you would note, and that I was stupid enough not to see, was the VIX indication. And the VIX precisely indicated us a perfect buying spot in 2018. Right here, guys, right here. So the VIX is definitely your friend. Wow. On the monthly, we can also see we had our bull market top right here with the bearish divergence. We had a bull market top right here that actually started already showing a bearish divergence around the 1st of July 2017. So much earlier, before the real bull market started, the real euphoria moment. So that's an extremely good sign, guys. And here we got exactly the same one. So if you see that on a normal chart, you would freak out, but here there is absolutely no reason to. And let's extend it. Let's actually move that part. I love this analysis because it just shows us completely the future. And you know, guys, when everybody is freaking out about a small price movement, that it doesn't mean anything. And once you will know about that chart, you'll be like super relaxed. And that's what we want, is to be chilling and relaxed and invest or trade our money and be safe. That's what we are asking. If you like that, smash the like button, because that's what we all want, guys. And if I do that, I can also get an ending date of the bull market. That probably is gonna be different, but it's gonna help me decide where we are at. Actually, you can also see here on the MACD, we are totally raising. And that would give us also a date. Here I get something around most of the time the bull market does this. And then it breaks on the top of the second mount. Here I got January 2022. That's gonna be my safe time period, guys. Around January 2022. And in fact, we'd have to see the fundamentals then if we can extend this bull market over and over. But 1st of February, end of January, or even December, if you believe that the memories of the first bull market ends are gonna influence the market, I would say that would be something around there. Bear with me, this is not perfect, this is not science, because we are really working on a huge time scale, and result might give us just only a time frame, but it's not going to be perfect for now. We end up around December 2021. On the VIX, we end up about around December 2021. Interesting. It would not surprise me, because it's the same time the last bull market ended up. When we reach December 21, January 22, it's gonna be the time to be careful and pay attention. And we got also some fundamentals that can totally influence the market at that time. Like, for example, the end of the COVID crisis. If something comes up that really works, that help us end up the COVID crisis, it can totally influence our Bitcoin market, or something, a major political decision around Bitcoin. This kind of stuff, or the entrance of a real big ETF that Wall Street will be able to trade to short Bitcoin. All these things can totally influence our price, but also the memories of the last bull market end that ended up nearly around Christmas 2017. All these things tends to point that this time period between December 2021 and February 2022 might be the end of the bull market. But there are signs, as we saw before on the weekly chart, that can extend it, show us a big extension of that bull market up to July 2022. But I'll be extremely careful about that. So I guess now it's time for a little drawing session. And let's try to really materialize these price movements over the charts. So I'm gonna stick first with the monthly and then try to make it more accurate on the weekly and then eventually on the daily. But let's see what we have. Thing is that we are in complete price discovery here, so we don't have any support up there to tell us where we are going. But what I can see here, let me try to concentrate. What's most probable is going to be something like that. And then dump as usual. When the bull market ends, we dump in a very horrible way, and then we dump to 50k. And then you know what happens. That's what for me is going to happen for Bitcoin, and that's reasonable. And there is a big chance that we might have a little bit of more movement down there at some point like this. But that's what I got for you guys, and it's amazing. And it's amazing. So my target price for Bitcoin is clearly at the top of the bull market, around probably December, a time period between, I would say, end of December 2021 to February 2022. I cannot be more precise because it's obviously we have some scale problems here, and I'm not a fortune teller, I'm not a psychic, but or I am, or am I? No, but our price target is gonna range around 90. I think 100k is a safe level, and I think traders are going to push it up to 105, 110, 115, and then big drop. And then that's where the big drop arrives, and that's when you don't want to be caught. So that's the danger time frame. Let me tell you where is the danger time frame. That's your danger time frame right here, where you want to be extremely careful, right? So guys, please, if you like this video, smash the like button, share it, because this video is gonna be accurate for a while until next Christmas, and we'll see if I reach my, let's say, 100,000. If I reach a lot of subscribers until then I'll be happy to come back again to that chart and debrief it with you guys at that point. But what I say, it's beautiful. I mean, who would complain of a $100,000 Bitcoin that then is gonna retrace to 60k? Yes, but that's what Bitcoin does, and that's what it did always, and nothing is gonna change it. There is nothing pessimistic about this estimation. It's very beautiful and it's very positive, and actually it means also lots of alts are going to run up like crazy. So maybe during this bull run it's going to be even more, a much crazier alt season that you've ever seen on the into the cryptocurrency realm. Guys, smash, obliterate the like button and be confident. Don't fear ever. You'll be starting fearing around next Christmas. Don't fear ever this market. You'll be safe until that time period, trust me. And if you like this content, obliterate the like button again, subscribe to the channel right here, subscribe to my Twitter also to get updates about all my trades. And until then, I wish you an excellent Easter, and if you watch this video a long time after, I wish you an excellent Christmas 2021. Okay guys, have a very great day and see you very soon. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, we got the cat. The cat wants to know about Bitcoin again. No, wait.